I'm Brad Graham from Gary Graham Transport out of Glencoe, Ontario. We actually do a little bit of everything. We have flatbeds, step decks, double drops, bulk commodities, vans, over-dimensional, and that's why Axon's such a good fit with us, because it allows us to keep track of all of our different operations in one software program. Actually, we didn't even have a software program last year, so we just got Axon. Basically, just wanted to make life a little easier for everybody in the office. We wanted to be able to provide more information to our customers, and we wanted to be able to help make our drivers' lives a little better with more accurate and more detailed payroll. Yeah, we're getting things done a little bit quicker. We've only had Axon for a little while, and we've already seen some big improvements with getting stuff done in the office. Basically, we either had to hire another person, or we decided instead to go with Axon. Well, first 3 months, I would say it's probably paying for itself, but we're expecting bigger and better things. The more we use it, the more we like it. The one thing I liked about Axon, when people go away on vacation, there's a smoother transition. When I have to take over somebody else's role in the company, whether they're sick or on vacation, it's an easier transition. I can figure out what's been going on the last couple weeks and jump into their position and cover for them. And then likewise, when they get back from their holidays or back from sick time, they can jump in and go right from where they left off. And there's so much detail in the dispatch program. People never seem to, you always have the information right at your fingertips. And I like to know everything about my business, and I like to know about, obviously, accounts receivable is very important. I like to know about accounts payable, payroll is very important. I also like to know what's going on in the maintenance shop. So with Axon, you pretty well get to know all that stuff.